Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 20, 2023 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Digit Games, the 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong September 20, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Wednesday, September 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 20, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 32 million pesos for Wednesday, September 20, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 20, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.